Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using Eprolo for drop shipping. Eprolo, a comprehensive review based on my usage. Eprolo is a free, all-in-one drop shipping platform designed to streamline the entire process, from product sourcing and branding to order fulfillment. It's a particularly attractive option for e-commerce businesses looking to automate operations and cultivate a strong brand identity. Links to Eprolo and related resources are available in the description. One of Eprolo's most compelling features is its extensive product catalog. This diverse selection spans numerous categories, including fashion, home decor, electronics, and more. This broad range simplifies the process of finding products perfectly suited to your niche and target audience. What's more, if you can't find a specific product within their catalog, Eprolo offers product sourcing services, with their team dedicated to locating the item for you. Eprolo stands out with its robust custom branding capabilities. The platform provides a dedicated branding project feature, allowing you to personalize packaging, logos, and labels. This is invaluable for entrepreneurs aiming to build a professional, branded store and differentiate themselves within the competitive market. Furthermore, Eprolo supports private label drop shipping, fostering trust and brand recognition among your customer base. Automated order fulfillment is another significant advantage of Eprolo. The platform seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, automatically syncing product listings and orders. When a customer places an order, Eprolo manages the entire process, from sourcing and shipping to providing real-time tracking information. With strategically located global warehouses, Eprolo ensures competitive shipping times and costs, vital for customer satisfaction. To assist with business management, Eprolo incorporates profit tracking tools. These tools empower you to monitor sales performance, calculate profit margins, and leverage data-driven insights to optimize your business strategies. Eprolo's pricing structure is refreshingly straightforward. It's entirely free to use, without any subscription fees. This accessibility makes it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced drop shippers. While Eprolo offers a multitude of benefits, it's important to acknowledge that shipping times for certain products can be longer depending on the final destination. However, the platform's competitive pricing and extensive branding options often outweigh this potential drawback. In summary, Eprolo presents an excellent solution for drop shipping entrepreneurs seeking a free, versatile platform with robust automation, branding capabilities, and reliable order fulfillment. Its user-friendly interface, diverse product catalog, and emphasis on brand building make it a strong contender for scaling your drop shipping business. Explore the links in the description to learn more about Eprolo and determine if it aligns with your drop shipping objectives. This review is intended to provide clarity on whether Eprolo is the right platform for your specific business needs.